Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. I'm so excited because today kicks off my 12 days of Christmas cookies. Every day for the next 12 days, I'll be sharing a fun, easy cookie recipe that will make your holiday baking more magical. We're starting things off with a simple but gorgeous red velvet cake mix cookies with white chocolate chips. They're soft, festive, and perfect for gifting, parties, or just snacking while you wrap presents. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss a single recipe. And be sure to check back tomorrow for day 2 of our cookie countdown. Let's get baking. To make these cookies, you'll need 2 eggs, 1 red velvet cake mix, 1/3 cup of oil, and 1 cup of white chocolate chips. To start, I like to add the eggs to the mixing bowl and beat them for a few seconds before adding the rest of the ingredients. Now you can add your red velvet cake mix and 1/3 cup of oil. Beat the mixture until cookie dough begins to form. The cookie dough will be very sticky, but trust me, the cookies will turn out delicious. Once that is mixed, add 1 cup of white chocolate chips and use a spatula to fold them into the dough. Use a 1 or 2 tablespoon cookie scoop to shape the dough and place the dough balls on a parchment-lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. Allow them to rest for about 5 minutes, then transfer them to a cooling rack. Thanks so much for baking with me today. I hope you loved these red velvet cake mix cookies with white chocolate chips. Don't forget, we're just getting started. This is only day 1 of the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series, so make sure you're subscribed and you've hit the notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's cookie recipe. If you try this one, tag me over on Instagram. I love seeing your creations. See you tomorrow for day 2. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.